Beyond correspondent Siddharth MP spoke with Kamala Harris's aunt Dr. Sarla Gopalan in Chennai. Listen into her remarks on Kamala Harris adding a new page to US history.
Tamil word chitti, which means aunt, shot to global fame and prominence after Kamala Harris said it at the Democratic National Convention. She fondly recalled her chittis or her aunts. So now we have with us in exclusive conversation with Beyond World is One, Dr. Sarla Gopalan, who is Kamala Harris' aunt. Ma'am, thank you for speaking to us. Ma'am, kindly tell us, how did you feel after you got to know that your niece has made it to the topmost post in the United States that a woman has ever made it to?
Very happy and thrilled. Yeah, and I'm very happy. I mean, that's how I'm thrilled about it, you know.
Ma'am, and also now you can see that Kamala Harris has risen to such a high position. Do you see the same streak of rebellion that you saw in her mother in Kamala Harris and in the way she has actually fought her way to the top?
Yes, definitely. Because Shamla would have been very happy had she been alive. Unfortunately, she died very young. But, she would have been very happy because she brought them up to come up to this level. And I knew Shamla when Kamala was first fighting for the DA post in San Francisco. I was in California at that time. And Kamala was thinking of standing for the DA post. And we were talking about it and we knew about it. And from that time I knew that Kamala wanted to get somewhere. And she said, I'm going to do it and I'm going to become the DA. And that's how she did. She became a DA, then she became an Attorney General, then she became a Senator. You know, that is the kind of...
Donald Trump has refused to concede. Trump did not make any comments in his first public appearance after Joe Biden emerged as the winner of the 2020 presidential election. He was golfing at the Trump National Golf Club in Sterling, Virginia, when major television networks projected his rival had won. However, the US president had tweeted that he won the election by a huge margin. That the tweet was flagged by Twitter then. In a statement released by his campaign, Trump vowed that he will be approaching the court to ensure election laws are upheld. Calling the election far from over, Trump has said that Joe Biden has not been certified as the winner of any states. Trump also added in his statement that the legal votes decide who is the president and not media. Now, Trump claimed that the American people are entitled to honest elections, which mean counting of all legal ballots and not counting of illegal ballots. Doubling down on his claim of election fraud, Trump accused Biden campaign and Democratic Party of engaging in wrongdoing.
Who was it called by? Oh my goodness, all the networks. Wow. All the networks. We have to forget about the law. Judges don't count. All the networks thought Biden was going to win by 10%. Gee, what happened? Come on, don't be ridiculous. Networks don't get to decide elections.